and this is Lochan back today with another car review. Okay, so can you guess this car? Yes, of course, it's an Audi, and it's actually the Audi Q5 Prestige car. So yeah, it's a blue color. Let's go look at it. You see, nice. You see that Audi one? And it's not a demo here. And you see? And I'm going to show you the trunk. And I'm going to show you the space in it. Nice space in here. You can do this thing. See? I'm going to close it basically. Oof! Oof! Yeah. Okay, so let's go here. Let's actually take a test drive now. So yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna sit in. Hello, you can go up there. So yep, let's drive. And we see these features up here. Can you tell them about these features?
You have the cool features like you can select different kinds of drives: off-road, comfort, auto, and dynamic. You do have this lane assistance. If you are going off the lane, it will tell you. And there is parking assist, which side you want to go and where do you want to go. So it will take you to wherever you want to park. And other than that, pretty much all standard high-tech features. You have a wireless charger here. If you go inside this, you have cold storage as well as the hot storage. You can keep your coffee warm while you drive. And you have a little bit storage here, personal storage. You have USB out there so that you can charge it. Yeah, you have heated seats as well as you can cool your seats. If it is a little bit hot outside, you can do that with these controls. And these knobs vary the temperatures to the driver's side, and this is for the passenger side. You have a lot of controls here, which direction you want the AC and the speed of the fan. So it's a pretty good feature. You have the controls here, so you can rotate, and the blades and all will rotate, and your virtual cockpit will show you all the different things that is coming up, and you have heads-up display as well. There are features here. You can rotate, and which are the things you want to see on your virtual cockpit, you can see that. You can connect your phone, and you have heated steering wheel here. The steering wheel gets heated up if you want. There are normal controls like wipers and the direction. Everything is normal, and it's cool. Like, the features are nice, the drive is nice. That's about it.
Show the word, like the head. Here it is.
That is what? It is blinking. That is our heads-up display with 0 miles per hour.
Yep. So let's drive.
Dynamic mode, telling me that there is a door open. Heads-up display showing me what speed I'm driving the car. It's nice. I have the front camera as well as the back rear camera on. Let's see the navigation, what it shows. Nice, it is showing me the way.
And this is like, it feels like a smooth drive with almost no sound. amazing. So that's it. Thank you. This was an awesome ride, smooth. Everything was in it. And yep, thank you.